Guys, we're going to make a store.
Okay.
But
Bye.
we have to cut it. We have to cut it. Okay, guys, we are now prepared for our cooking.
Plato. Okay, go na. Maghiwa na tayo ng... Ay, mag-alinis na tayo ng... Eto, magluluto na tayo, syempre. Ito yung oven. Yan, oven yan.
That does not look like an oven.
Okay lang yan! Ito, lalagay ko dito yung aking vegetable burger. Lagay ko dito, tsaka dito.
Okay, can you please stop?
Guys, this is burger.
Sorry about that. Let's actually make up. Let's make a fruit.
I'm crazy, guys.
My God, let's just make a. I'm going to make. Stop that. I'm just
Okay.
going. Stop that.
Ouch! Yung maniga.
Okay, let me just. I'm just going to make a normal
Lagay ko muna to
salad.
dito.
Just normal salad. Okay, please stop.
Maghiwa na ako nito, syempre.
Wait.
Wala ka ba hiwa-hiwa dyan na kutsilyo, babe?
Boy, wait lang. Wait.
Ah, ito.
Wait,
Tanggalin mo na.
wait. We're just using our imagination, and sorry about the earlier. It was just ignore that. Let's just go ahead.
Ugasin muna natin kasi marami.
Oh my God, let's put it everything. We're still
Pakita natin sa kanila mo sa dito.
dirty yung kitchen natin. Yeah, it's still dirty.
Lagyan mo ito ng dayo.
Ako nga.
It's out.
This
Ito yung oil natin paglulutuan. Ito yung lutuan na lang, Nigo. Ito yung oil natin paglulutuan na.
Uy, bakit may mga may mga bula-bula pa yung pinaglalaroan nyo?
It's not my idea.
Malagkit yan pag natuyo yan. Alam,
Wait,
hugasan mo dun.
Taksan natin.
Tanggalin nyo yung bala. Nasa